Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about the Brainingcamp 100 board. Once logged in, click on the 100 board Manipulative. The 100 board is a tool to allow students to discover number patterns and to visualize number sequence. The Manipulative loads with the 100 board 1 through 100 on the workspace. By selecting the 100 board, other options become available. Drag the square to increase the number shown. The slider at the bottom will adjust the range of the numbers that appear. From the top options, you can show labels, hide labels, show random labels, copy, lock, or delete the 100 board. By clicking on specific numbers on the 100 board, they will disappear or reappear. The toolkit contains markers to place on the 100 board. Drag the square to the desired location. You can drag to highlight an entire row or column, or just a part of them. The start, 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less markers are also valuable tools. Drag the start button to where you would like to begin. Keep on or turn off the values for 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less, and drag markers to each location. Group select objects, copy, and move to show several different examples of 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less. From the Settings menu, choose the starting number, whole numbers or decimals, or to start at 0 or 1. It's that easy. The Multiples workspace uses the 100 board to show multiples of selected numbers. Drag the ring to a specific number, and all the multiples of that number will appear. Common multiples can be seen by having multiple colors shown. Finally, the Rounding workspace uses the rings in the toolkit to animate rounding up or down to the nearest 10. To change the place value students are asked to round to, click on the Settings menu and select the value. Now you're ready to use the 100 board by Brainingcamp. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.